Did you know that one of the earliest standards that mentions usability was ISO 9241? It talks about three crucial usability issues, and one of them was effectiveness. Does it do the right thing? Does it get things done? The second was efficiency. Does it do that with a minimum effort? And the third one was satisfaction. Does it make you feel good? Do you feel happy? These points are even more relevant today. And if you want to know how they affect the bottom line in your business, if you want to learn more about user experience and why it has become so important now, find answers to your questions and even more at interaction-design.org.